one. He can't go through. She's got a lot of hair there. That's the deal. Big hair.
Mommy has big hair.
That's right. Mommy has big hair, so she can't go through the tunnel. She doesn't. Yeah, oh, Charlotte made her bed. That was a real leather hard on the face, though.
Wait, she did it?
She couldn't do it. They went through the tunnel.
Dad did.
Yeah, they did.
Then I go down the big slide.
Okay. I want to go first.
Annalise.
Okay, me next.
Well, I want to go too.